Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gumroad, manage digital product sales step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Gumroad website address, www.gumroad.com. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the website is fully loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page asking for your login information. Enter your email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link for assistance. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh and load your dashboard. Once logged in, you will see your account overview. Navigate through the options to manage your digital products. You can click on products to view your existing listings. To add a new product, select the Add a Product button. Fill in the required details for your new digital product. When done, click Publish to make your product available for sale. Review your sales analytics by clicking on the Sales tab. This will show you insights on your product performance. You can also update account settings under the Account section. Remember to log out when you finish managing your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.